Not this again. Tried to size down, trumped again. Daddy's home, don't press send. Clicking in while, no anchor, bro, this gotta end. Every morning, same chart, same zone. Market moving fast, I ain't feeling at home. Break of the high, trapped in disguise. Thought I was the king, turns out surprise. But not in fake, house lurking. Price got me sweating, palms straight hurting. Like come on man, where's the edge? I knew. Just need my setup clean, let it come through. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, but not for pain. The boss is back, no room for shame. Futures floor taking over the game. Was down bad last week, too much size, no plan, just vibes. Yeah, that's how you die. Now I'm calm, free lot, clean as snow. Clicking that anchor, let that discipline flow. But now them dopamine traps got me chasing green with no recap. Like chill, bro, let that setup bake. Waiting for the moment, let the market break. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, we trade with aim. The boss is back, no more games. Futures floor, putting clowns to shame. Fake breakouts, pump fakes, wicks that lie. Even caught that lunar move, thought I'd fly. But it don't matter what dreams I rent. If I skip the plan, account gets bent. But nah, them weak trades wild. And no anchor, no click, just straight freestyling. Like come on fam, that's not the vibe. Run the alive, click, stamp, click, click, watch me grow. Futures floor, got that inner flow. Daddy's home in full control. Let the rest FOMO, we on a roll. He and my OF like it's satisfact, and now I'm missing the D. Was lost last week, caught in the heat. Now I'm posted up, clean trade game elite. Tame the urge, let the setup speak. The boss is back, and I ain't missing a beat.
This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today.
Okay, I'm trying to do it all really quickly. I was supposed to be early. But I'm not early. That's okay though. Let me just get this done. Just trying to activate my account. What's next? EULA.
Oh, it's warm in here.
Yeah, turn it off.
Tom, where are my ropes, man? I haven't seen the ropes in years.
Okay, looks like my TradeAvate account is up. Let's see if I can connect it to we'll do that later. What are we doing? Let's take a look at the 30-minute chart. 30-minute chart. Ooh, did we? Let's take did we? If you're spend any time in my channel, you know what I'm asking about when I say did we. Did we sweep both sides of the Asia session? We swept the low. We swept the high. That means we will Most likely 80% sweep to low, given that the previous day's close is there also. That is a real potential target. 22,904, we're at 22,944. 13 minutes before opening, that's a 40-point target. I think I found my first trade for the competition. Now, what do I got to do? Connections. Dave, are you going somewhere? No, because you were looking for something. Okay, let's change it. Well, I gotta say they have a pretty good system in that you just click on the username and the password and it copies it for you. That's really cool. That's really cool. I mean, my camera keep disappearing every time I go full screen. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Apply. Okay. I think I'm ready to go. Do we press it and see? Where is it? It sounded like it worked. Okay, there it is. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. We got it. We got it, we got it. Let's put that up and put that up and put that up. Okay, we got those going. Whoa, I swear to God, it's like a flight checklist. I'm not joking. It's absolutely insane. Whoa, look at you. Okay, I see it. I see it. I see it. I see it. Do I want to be short? I don't know. You know what? I'm getting a little too eager to trade. You know what's going to happen if I get eager to trade? I'm going to mess up and then put myself behind the 8 ball. Let us look at ES is a little bit, I think, relatively stronger. Yep, ES is stronger. So NQ is weak today. That's good. That's good for my theory that we're going to try and sweep the lows. We've already given up. Okay, you know what? Let's take our first trade and see how it works. Good morning, Mike. My take profit trader account's not working. I didn't do anything wrong. I signed the agreements with Tradeovate for the data. I indicated non-professional. I signed all the other agreements. I clicked OK, 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 OK. Everything was good. It said confirmed. I got it loaded now in Ninja. Connections. Let me disconnect it. Let me give them a little bit of time. And maybe it'll work later. In the meantime, I don't know. I think, hey, good morning, James. Mine either, so I scooped up a BULENOX to start. How exactly does it work? Are you going to transfer over your BULENOX gains? Fuck, at that point, then let what's his face? Let Omnius enter also. Woodchip and who else? No, it was just Woodchip. Woodchip was screaming Omnius can't enter because he wanted to do BULENOX. I said it's the same fucking thing. It's like playing hockey. The game of hockey has rules, but you're not going to tell a person what arena he has to play in or what skates he has to use or what stick he has to use. The equipment, the account you use is irrelevant. Probably just you go deal with good morning, Skeletor. You go deal with Woodchip. I can't wait to tell him. I can't wait to tell him. No, I want to tell him. Don't take away that from me. That's my fun of the day. Oh, it's true. I want to trade gold. Gold. I think gold will help me. Gold. What are we doing on gold? Let me just see. Boom, 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 boom. Trading lower. And now kind of basic. Okay. Let's go back to NQ. I don't even know if I should take, you know what? I'm not taking profit here. I think this could be a good trade. I think we're going to sweep the, I think we're going to sweep it all. This is my trade, fuck. Let's try it again. Let's go to the take profit account. I just reloaded it. A one lot, sell market. Oh, okay, it's working now, mine. Okay. Well, let's have fun on my first trade. Sounds good. You want to know why I'm laughing? I'm not even going to tell you. I already know what's going to be said. 4 minutes before the market opens. Happy birthday, James. Hey, you're going the wrong way. Yes, I know. It was so retarded. I think the only one screaming has to be take profit is Woodchip. Wasn't using his brain. He was being so insistent. Oh, you know what? I just realized, shit, it's max 5 lot. I can't add. I can't do 5 and 5 because this is my at spot. I got to do 2 and 3 or 3 and 2. Oh, you guys got me pinned with that rule, eh? Okay, it's a fair rule. I like it. Yeah, this is the fake out. The fake out before the dump. I hope. There's the 928 pop. Based on the imbalance report, I'm going to add on my Apex accounts. It's too bad I can't add on my TPT account. I hope I don't get myself into trouble with a bias. You know what biases do for me. We got VWAP. Volume is lower, meaning 39,000 OBV. It's not negative, but it's not really crazy positive. Markets are coming closer to opening. Maybe I just want to manage one trade. We'll see. I'm going to start with my PA and then take profit trader. That's fine, as long as you show which account you did it with. "13 seconds, boys and girls." Five, four, three, two, one. Markets are open. Going the wrong way. I'm stuck with a bias. The worst thing ever for Mikey. Okay, we're getting down. No, you're not going to reverse that candle like you like to do so often on the opening. Gotten below view up again. We should be short. Oh, one more. One more. Make it a 5. Make it a 5. You guys don't know what I'm talking about, but I needed to make it a 5. Make it a 5. Okay. One problematic. One problem taken care of. I need you to go down. I can't see us not filling the gap. I can't see us not trying to fill the gap, seriously.
See what we get in the markets today. Market open. Mark our 2-minute range. Got there. Perfect. Been so long.
Let's get a little lower.
Alright, let's zoom out.
Come on, push lower, push lower, push lower.
Still bullish uptrend. For the bulls, they want to push up, get above this 23.027.
Push, push, push.
Try for the 23.100. For the bears,
I am going to be happy. We
first
just have
break
a gain over there.
22.98. Try for the 22.881. Break that if they can hold it. Come back down here, 22.600. Good morning, futures floor. Wait till you hear the drama. I heard some of it. I was listening a little bit. What can you do, right? I mean, it just makes sense, right?
Okay, there's the gap fill. They had to too easy today. I know it is too easy today. I just got in too early like an idiot.
All right, coming down, testing the open. Chat. There he is. Why? There we go.
Perfect. Okay.
See him.
Right there, it's just in time because I turned off your audio.
Order. I'm in a trade.
It wasn't a trade.
Oh, it looks like a terrible trade. You can't have bad trades. It's fun, right?
There we go. That's perfect. Looks good enough.
I don't want to lock this one.
Okay. What are we looking at? Let me fix my wrinkle charts.
How was the weekend, everybody?
Hey, way to go. How was the weekend? Weekend was good, I guess. Nothing special to report. You?
It was good, but damn, I'm tired. I got a hope for Mondays to relax.
Did you have a lot of family over?
Yeah. House full of kids screaming and hollering. And
oh, fuck.
It wasn't that bad.
Oh, you're lucky.
When you have it, you're like, just be quiet. When you don't, you're like, I miss it.
Yeah, that is true. That is true. Save as template. Okay, I got to create a 5 lot for this here. Save. Did you see the opening? Can you see my
Give me 1 sec. Keep talking.
Oh, I was just saying if you can hear my stream, you know, if you saw the opening. The opening, can you hear it? The stream? Are we gonna go and take out?
I'm not hearing you. Stream's not hearing you. I hear you. The stream's not hearing you.
Really?
What?
Let me see mine. Maybe I don't have sound. Oh no, you're on. I'm on. Everything's working. Max 5 micro for the challenge. That's right, Skeletor. But apparently, if you want to switch to BULENOX, now we can. Why? Because I said on Saturday, majority rules. Let's see what happens, because I was only speaking with Woodchip and Butter Stunts, but, you know, since he wasn't officially in, he kind of didn't have a vote, so it was me and Woodchip, tie for tie. But now, Skeletor says it's okay. Mike Stunt says it's okay. I say it's okay. That's 3. That's it. And since there's only 5 in the competition, 3-2 wins. Omnius, if you want to join, it's not too late. We win. Absolutely majority rules. So go get yourself a BULENOX account for $17. Use code FLOOR.
Yeah, I'm listening. I'm just making sure you're coming through the audio fine.
Yeah.
You snuck into a different room on me.
No. Private. We're in the private.
I know. I still had it set to the public. It's cool. You got it.
Yeah, it's a bit of a problem. It's a bit of a pain in the ass to keep remembering which one.
Well, because the video shows up either way.
Yeah, I know.
So I'm like, well, why do I have video? No audio. That's cool.
Mm.
All right.
I don't know.
Well, Woodchip did have a good point when he said that they went out and bought those accounts just for that, and that it wasn't fair.
I'm not even
that
sure.
They went out and purchased them.
Yeah. Fair. Who uses the word fair? Last time I heard the word fair was in a elementary school playground.
Maybe that was paraphrasing. I don't know.
Yeah,
I don't remember.
No, it was fair. It was that was the word. You're not paraphrasing. Come on, let's go take profit trader account. But anyways,
I was doing 10 different things while trying to watch your stream, and somehow your stream got hijacked. Kind of felt bad about that.
Nah, that's fine. But hold on.
I asked a simple question, and it turned into a hour-long argument.
Yeah, I started screaming. That's the first time I screamed on my chat. Skeletor, I'm also using Take Profit Trader. Anybody can use whatever account they want. You want to use BULENOX? Use BULENOX. You want to use Apex? Use Apex. Yes, let's go. First cash register to ring. So I'm in Take Profit Trader. You can see it right there at the top. Oh, no, you don't see my account data. Sorry. Yes, let's go. The rest I'm holding. I'm holding. Mike, you hear that? I'm going to be holding. Let's get the account data. You can see account data. Group, top elements, account data. There we go. Put it up. You can see my Take Profit Trader account. It just started. I'm almost to target. Okay, so can you hear the audio on my stream, Omnius?
I do.
Good.
Wait, on your stream?
Yeah. You got to hear it on the stream. No. That's it. I'm out. Okay, that's a shitty thing. Tell me when.
Okay.
I worked on it. I had to make you go see it. I can't just work on them and not have anyone to show them to. Wait, while you're connected, before you disconnected, you want to see one more? Are you still connected?
Imagine a world where woodchip possesses the ability to chip other chips. If woodchip could chip chips, how many chips could woodchip chip? And how many chips would woodchip chip? Would woodchip chip chips if they weren't woodchips? The possibilities would be limited only by woodchip's own strength and desire to chip chips. Would woodchip chip endlessly? While we may never know for sure, it's fun to imagine woodchip chipping chips tirelessly away in a forest full of chips.
Okay. You're free.
I like it.
Oh, and Mike, since you're here, Mike, before you go.
I love it. I did it wrong though. I did it wrong. You were supposed to go out farting.
Oh,
Butter stunts, are you in the room? Yeah. No, he farted, but I didn't have him go out. Butter stunts, are you in the room? Where are you,
you gonna
Butter
play
Stunts?
another one?
Yeah, I got one. That's just did I change Butter Stunts? No. Sort of. Where is he? Butter Stunts, you in the room? Well, I'll play it anyways. Oh, sorry, wrong one. Oh, sorry, wrong one. I'm pressing them all by accident. I pressed them all by accident. Okay, let's get back to business. That was fun. Thank you very much. Yeah, you didn't need your left ear anyways.
Yeah, Mike was trying to blow my eardrums out real quick.
Yeah, no, you don't need your left ear. The left ear is way overrated. It looks like the Monopoly guy. Yeah, but that's what I have him looking like. So I think that's all I did. I don't know.
Left ear is overrated. As long as you got one. Jose, good morning.
Hey,
Dukes
good
of
morning,
Hazzard
Jose.
boys.
He's a Dukes of Hazzard boy. He's Southern.
He says, "What's up, Dukes of Hazzard boys?"
Oh, it's true.
I like Dukes of Hazards.
I did.
Everybody likes Daisy Dukes, right?
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. There's only one reason why men watch Dukes of Hazzard. It was for those jean shorts. Is that amazing? I see how I remember.
I started the whole thing way back when, huh? Jose, how was the weekend? Have a good weekend? I think my weekend lasted for like a week and a half.
Wow. Sparky, what are you doing? That was
Trying to breathe.
Back up. Wow, I could have done so much more on that trade. I was really going for the
Come on.
the gap fill, but I got in early, like an idiot. 4 minutes early. Look at the 4 candles just before the open. That's when I shorted. Just before that. So obviously it cost me. Let's go. Anybody know if I'm down on the challenge account for today? Hey, it's no fair. I don't get to see your balance. You get to see mine. When does the
Damn, TradingView needs to fix some glitches, man. What'd they do? They broke it.
Watch your ears. You don't hear my
No, I don't hear you now.
Perfect. You're talking on my stream, right? My stream, you don't hear it anymore?
Discord. No, I don't hear it.
Perfect. Joker, it started. You didn't see? Let me do it again.
Pretty regular. No 4th of July in Mexico. But I did eat some KFC. KFC can be pretty good sometimes.
Oh, I love KFC. KFC's good all the time. Competition has begun.
Don't know. I think our KFC where I live went to shit.
Oh, yeah.
So while everybody wants to like it, if they could just get some decent management in there. Halftime, they don't even have chicken.
Isn't that funny? I swear to God, Howard's also. You go in there. We don't have chicken. Would you like something else? I don't know. Is it a bakery? Yeah, give me bread.
What? Like, what else you got? Well, we ain't got nothing else. We got chicken. Like, well, then give me some chicken. We don't got no chicken.
Yeah.
Why are you even open?
Yeah, I know. Go home. Go
home. Like, what are y'all doing?
We get that.
Everybody's just laying around the lobby like,
Yeah.
what are y'all doing? We ain't got no chicken. Well, go home. Fuck.
Well, you know what happens if they go home, they don't get paid. If they hang around, they're getting paid. They're gonna do nothing at home. They figure they'll do nothing at the restaurant.
I just want to know whose job it is to order chicken. How do they get it wrong so much?
Yeah. Not crazy about this trade. I'm getting out of it.
Yeah, I heard the thing. I thought it was your opening bell thing because you played it at the opening bell.
Yeah. Yeah, well, at 9:30. And yeah, we have a donut store here that if you go after like 7 p.m.,
No donuts.
almost every time's no donuts.
That's crazy.
Well, they still sell coffee, so they're open. But yeah, it is. At least have one guy making a few donuts. I'm not saying make 1,000, not like in the morning. You don't need all the racks full to the brim, but have one guy making at least chocolate glaze and, one or two other and making 12 at a time.
What it is, you'd be surprised like how many donuts they throw out every day.
Mm-hmm.
Because they're fresh donuts. If they don't sell like by the end of the day or whatever, they just throw them out.
Yep.
Even the ones in the convenience store, was it Krispy Kreme or whatever?
Yeah.
They have a certain amount of time they'll leave them in there, and whatever's not eaten, they just throw them away.
Yeah.
Used to watch a guy throw away bags and bags of donuts.
Good job, Joker. Hey, it's true. Wait a minute. I can trade copy. Well, we won't do that today. Workspace. Gotta change my workspace because I'm having a problem. Workspace. Close. Let's see if it comes back properly.
So half the people on the stream didn't have no 4th of July, huh?
Oh, yeah?
Well, you don't have 4th of July. Jose don't have 4th of July. Which makes sense, I guess.
Yeah. Of course. Congrats, Joker. I don't have memory. I don't remember if I said congrats. Joker took a $300 payout.
Sweet.
TPT.
Sweet.
Yeah, good job. Good job.
I mean, don't we celebrate some Mexican holidays? Don't we? Like Cinco de Mayo? I think that's a pretty big thing.
And quinceañera or something like that.
Never heard of that one.
Sweet 16. I think. I don't know.
Cinco de Mayo in a lot of places in the States.
Yeah, Cinco de Mayo, definitely. Let's go. Let's take out the high.
Got people shooting off fireworks all hours of the night.
We have that over here. It's crazy. Actually, you're going to freak out. It's Greek Easter. I swear to God.
Greek Easter?
I'm not being sarcastic. Greek Easter in our area. We have a lot of Greek, the population. There's a lot of Greeks. I mean, they're not the majority, but, that's why most of my friends were Greek growing up. And they go to the Greek church, and I swear to God, now it's not so bad because the police now are there. But when I was growing up, they used to get the rocket things there, whatever, and they would fire them at people. It was crazy. People, some kids got hurt, and then finally the police came and they said, "Okay, it's enough of this ridiculousness."
Mm-hmm.
But it took a long time. Earthquake. Most traders react, I predict. Earthquake. What do you mean, James? Earthquake? There was an earthquake in Greece?
That flood or something in Texas killed like 100 people.
Holy shit, my wife was showing me scenes of that. It was crazy. Yeah, that was crazy. It was pretty scary. What did you show me?
I haven't seen any of the videos on it yet, but somebody was saying that the water rose like 30 feet in a couple minutes. Like what the?
Yeah.
One kid said before they could do anything that the water was up to a top bunk on bunk beds.
Wow. And my wife showed me 2 videos. One, the house was floating away, and
I've seen a couple of those.
And there were people in it screaming for help. So that was crazy. And the other one was a woman also pleading for help because her father was, an elderly and stuck in bed, and the water was already coming up to the bed. That's a scary situation.
The sad thing is it's already at 100 and it's going to keep growing and growing and growing.
Oh, the yeah.
Death toll.
Yeah. No, that was a crazy flood. Gold to the moon. Yeah, I just took a little scalp in gold. And take profit. Let's see if I can take a quick scalp here.
Gold's been killing it lately, hasn't it?
You know what? Yeah, I think gold is really... gold's got a lot of potential. But it's also got a lot of potential to help you lose money. That's a little
Even the charts have just been looking nice lately.
Yeah. Like yesterday, I was calling out the bids. Let's say, 24.4, 24.9. And I was getting, I said, come on, what happened to 24.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8? It's erratic like that, though, a little bit. It's a difficult instrument to trade sometimes. Okay, I got to be careful not to go over my limit.
This trading view is driving me crazy. They made it where you can click on the chart and it shows you the numbers. But you try to move the chart and it just keeps showing you the numbers. Like, come on, man, get out of the way.
I hate that. I just now had to close an order and I needed to change my size, but a little box saying GTC was in the way. For good till canceled. Don't block my arrows. I have to floss my teeth. Should I do it on stream or... I didn't get to flossing my teeth. I started late today.
I was looking at that sale that they're having on TradingView. And
yeah, you were talking about
50% off the basic account or whatever.
Yeah.
And I went back and I was looking at a Black Friday last year, and they only did 30% then.
Wow.
I think it's the biggest sale they've done in a while.
Yeah, that's surprising that it would be bigger than the Black Friday sale.
Yeah. Come on.
Well, I'm not going to take a short here because that's kind of like a wick off VWAP. If it happens to trade lower, so be it. Let's take a look at the 30-minute again. I did say we were going to sweep the Asia session lows, 80% chance, and we did. Wow, I really screwed up. That was the trade. That was the trade of the day, and I missed it.
Trade of the century.
Oh, what happened with the 2-minute? 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you take it? Looks like it won.
So I took it off of my account, put it on a sim account for today because we did have the holiday. And some people are still off today. Like my wife's still off.
Oh, no kidding.
So I didn't know if there was going to be much momentum, but it did take it and it did work. It's the one I was telling you looked like shit, but it came back. It did work.
The volume's pretty decent. 400,000 contracts. Nothing to complain about at this moment.
I didn't know that.
You there? You underwatered.
What, me? No, I'm here.
Yeah, no, for a second there, it sounded like you were underwater. You're good now. So,
I wonder
Mike.
if it's Discord that does that.
It could be a whole bunch of things. Could be my internet connection, your internet connection, the internet connection between you and me, Discord, OBS, who the hell knows. Mike, Stunts, what's your balance so far? You said you're done for the day on TPT or BULENOX, whatever account you're using. What'd you get to?
Done already? Damn.
894. Wow. I was gonna say 1440. 144 points on a 5 lot. Okay.
Shit, can I copy his trades?
Yeah. No, it's for his trades are for entertainment only.
No copying trades, entertainment only.
Okay. Well, I'm not gonna panic, Mike.
It was a joke.
I'm not gonna panic, Mike. I'm just gonna take my trades, and so be it. But 894, a solid start. Like I said, oh, it's true. Yeah, you weren't on the stream last night. You didn't hear what happened. I couldn't connect to my Take Profit Trader account, my new one. So I couldn't. They not I couldn't connect. They didn't even give me my login credentials, username, password, blank. So I sent them an email. Not an email. Their support. You know the little live support in the bottom right corner. I did that on Saturday because I didn't have it, and it said high volume. We're experiencing a higher than normal volume, so we've deleted your support. Contact us later. Like you're not even in the queue. You're not even in the line. We just deleted your. Yeah, that was a new one. So, anyways,
way to feel important, huh?
Yeah. Your problem is just. It's not something we want to deal with.
We don't really care. Just kind of leave us alone if you would. We're busy.
But anyway, so I contacted them again on Sunday night after the open because I figured maybe after the open I'll get it, So they said that, hold on, I'll read it for you. File, boom. There we go. So they said, upon checking your records, it looks like your account had a failed creation issue. So they offered me two options. My second option, which is what I took, was a free account valid for 60 days with no renewal fee and the same promo of the account that I bought. So I don't have to pass in 30 days now. They gave me an extra 30 days to pass with no monthly fees. So
they gave you the extra 30 days?
Yeah. And now
so you still paid for it, but it's good for an extra 30 days?
Yeah. So I have a 2-month account, not a 1-month account.
Sweet.
So I said, okay, cool. I'm the only one who won a prize in this competition.
That's good. You ain't even started yet and already won a prize.
Yeah. That was a good short. I don't want to chase.
Yeah, I was just thinking the same thing.
We want to keep that donkey retired, right?
I'll tell you what, since you made that meme, we haven't really been able to play it very much, have we?
No, not too much. But you know what?
I don't know. If I do this stupid shit, he's going to play that donkey meme again.
I don't have it. I deleted it, I think. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, I don't have it.
No, I got it. I got it.
Yeah, you got it. I deleted it. Yeah, no, it's gone.
Did you see my promo intro video?
I did.
Didn't see it.
No,
you did?
Unless you put it up this morning.
Well, I put it Well, I got it as a short anyways, but I made a longer one and put on the stream this morning.
Ah, no, that I didn't see.
See if I get flagged again. I've been getting flagged a lot lately.
Yeah.
I got flagged on Facebook for a video I made
Wow.
a while ago. It was an AI video. I'm like, how do I get copyright for a freaking AI video about the Nasdaq? It's basically just talking about the Nasdaq.
Yeah. The crazy thing is, I got flagged again for one of your streams appearing on my stream. Oh, no. Let me clarify that. You know how I have a browser showing me your stream, correct? So I accidentally opened the volume when you were playing music. Your regular music that you play in your stream. 1.5 seconds. And it flagged it. I said, you got to be kidding me. Anyways, I put in, remove that 1.5 seconds.
It's stupid that you got to do all that stuff.
Yeah, there should be a limit. There really should be a limit. 10 seconds, 30 seconds, something like that. Not 1 second. That's a little extreme. Seriously.
What's funny is it's on shorts less than a minute. They don't even care about it. So you can play the same music in a short, but then you put it on a stream and it's a huge deal.
No, I don't think so. I think you have to use the music they give you. I don't think you can just take any song you want. You think you can?
They have a shorts policy for anything under a minute.
Wow. Okay. Yeah, so I asked you a question in Discord. I didn't check if you were.
So I got flagged for one. It was 63 seconds.
You mean if it was 60?
If it was 60 seconds or less, it would have fell under the shorts policy, which would have been fine. But since it was 63 seconds, then it didn't meet the policy, so I got flagged for it. I had to delete the video.
Wow.
Over 3 seconds.
Yeah. Well, look, you got to draw the line. You got to draw the line
music that
somewhere.
they gave me. Yeah.
Used to talk about that with my kids, like having sex with an underage minor. When they turned 18. Said, you may have turned 18, but if your girlfriend is 17 in 360 days, depending on what the law is, you got to be careful. Oh, yeah, but, I love my girlfriend. She loves me. Yeah, but what if the parents don't like you? What if you break up? And then the parents hate you and the girlfriend hates you. And then she claims that you had sex with an underage minor because you had sex with her when you were over 18 and she was just under 18, Said you got to be I was very nervous around that age for my boys. Very nervous.
Yeah. I knew a guy that happened to. And the sad part was they were together forever.
Yeah.
But then all of a sudden he turned over 18. I think in most of the states, they got a policy that the girl's got to be under 17 or something.
Yeah, whatever it is, it's so fucking ridiculous. I can understand it for an adult with a minor, but not with teenagers in the same grade or, one is in grade 10, one's in grade 11. Again, it came up because I said you have to draw the line somewhere, but you also have to use your head.
Well, the sad part is what they do to those people. And that shit stays on your record forever.
Yeah.
You can't get it off. Over a girl a year younger than you. And that guy was telling me even like her parents went to court and it's like, yeah, they've been dating for a while. And he pretty much lives with us and they didn't care.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm a sex offender. Really? Oh my God. You're the worst. You're the scum of the earth. Well, I'm married to the girl. She's my wife. Yeah, right. We have kids together. It just so happened I turned 18 before her.
Yeah, that's sad how they destroy people's lives over that.
Yeah.
They should have like an age difference, like within a certain age or something.
That makes more sense. Yes, a range. A range
Like,
of
no,
ages.
you can't be 30 and dating a 17-year-old. But hey,
Yeah.
if you're 18, then you're talking a year or less than a year.
Yeah,
Like you said, you're in the same grade.
that's it. Keep it a year, year and a half apart. 18, 16 and a half, 19, 17 and a half. And once you cross 20, there's the line. Now it's underage. That makes more sense. Okay, I got into a gold trade. Hopefully this one will go. I'm scalping aggressively. I hope Take Profit Trader doesn't have a max trades. I remember I never traded with Take Profit Trader because they had a stupid rule that wouldn't allow me to qualify. It was something like, I think, maximum trades or something. I don't know. They had a really weird scalping rule. I hope they removed it. Let's go. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Bush. 25.3, 26.8.
Anybody find any good setups in this NQ?
Did I find any or did you find any?
Did anybody? This is. He said one guy's already done for the.
Yeah, he quit Mike Stunts. He got his move. Yeah, I was just gonna get out. It's not a real take profit. I'm just limiting risk.
Oh, I bet he came down to bought the drop to the support.
We'll let one run if it goes.
Maybe one day I'll buy support and resistance like that.
Well, look what we did on the previous day's close, eh? How we wicked it twice. Shot right back up.
Is that what it is? Previous day's close?
22,900 basically.
Yeah.
Yeah, 5 o'clock close. That's the 5 o'clock close. So yeah, I was asking you in the Discord what you thought of the structure of that new video I posted, where the girl is not speaking; she's speaking kind of about us. You know, like it started off with my go-to guys. You know, and they're doing and they're looking, instead of, you know, when you use an artificial intelligence voice and it's talking as if it's the first person.
Yeah.
I always find that a little weak because, you know, it's not the guy. It's the same voice. It's that guy, Brian or whatever. It's like the voice I use there for wood chip. Everybody's using the same voice and it's kind of fake. But if you speak on behalf of the person, you know, hey, you know, hi, I'm, you know, Omnius is doing this and looking. I think it was a good angle. He's laughing.
What's funny is that you know the AI guy by name. It's like that guy Brian, you know, right? You got brown hair.
lives next door.
Like, wait, which Brian? Where does he live? Oh, he lives in the computer.
He's my best friend.
Yeah, we chat all the time, man. What are you talking about?
Where's Dad? He's going out with Brian tonight.
I'm telling you, people are taking this AI stuff too far.
I'm missing out. Who's winning the trade challenge? Butter Stunts. You can join. You can go get an account with BULENOX. Everybody said it's okay except for wood chip. He got outvoted.
It ain't me winning.
And it's
Wait, am I even trading it?
It's not too late. Why is it not too late? Mike Stunts quit for the day. He said he got 894. Just a few messages above you. I just started. I'm at 152. And I don't know how Skeletor's doing. He didn't report back in yet. Oh, Butter Stunts! Butter Stunts. Did I change it? Boom, boom, bow, bow. No, I didn't. Sorry. It's not the one. It's this one. Butter Stunts wins sub of the week for helping me out with Nightbot. I had a problem with Nightbot.
Oh God, don't everybody.
Yeah. Well, he said delete it. The one that's causing you the problem. He said delete it and restart it instead of just trying to modify it all the time. I did, and it worked. It held the data. Deal me in is will be up and running in 45 seconds. Sparky, what are you doing? I think my cat got into the catnip. Mm-hmm.
See, it's days like this need to be able to trade gold, I guess.
Yep. I was saying that the other day. When it gets really quiet in
Look at that. Could take the trade right there.
in NQ. Oh yeah, I don't think gold is poop. Gold's
What? Who
pretty
said
good.
that?
Butterstones.
Okay.
What just triggered? Oh, my stop got moved in gold. Okay, cool.
I don't know enough about gold to say either way.
Yeah. I don't know. I would recommend you try it out for 1 micro.
Yeah, I wouldn't know where to set the take profit, stop loss, anything.
I can help you. Only $99 an hour. My rate is $99 an hour for you.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. Normally it's 100. I give you this. No, I don't know. You use ATR or something. Rank
This
goes.
trading view is getting on my nerves. There's gotta be a way to turn it off or something until they get it better.
You could figure it out how to structure your trade the same way you structure your trades in NQ.
Yeah, I know how to figure it out. You press the buy button and figure it out.
There you go. No, stop was too far. I lost too much.
Just I go by points, and 7 points in NQ or 20 points in NQ is different on gold. But like, oh, I'm only down 20 points. Come to find out, it's like $500 or something. Like, what the fuck happened? I was only down 20 points.
It's $10, I think, a point. What I'm doing? No, $10 a dollar, I think. Let me see. 25.2, and it's a 27, and I'm up. Yeah, it's $10 a point right now. At 1 micro, I have 1 micro.
Now, do you consider the 0.1 a point, or you consider that a tick?
No, 0.1 is a tick. Point
So
is,
it's got 10 ticks.
Yeah, 10 ticks is a point. So from 27 to 28, it'll be $10 if you have 1 micro. Okay. Now I understand what you mean. What you meant is like you weren't sure what the value was for the.
Hey, if we were support and resistance traders, could take this buy right here. I don't know why that's so hard for me. I look at it and I'm like, nope.
Joker, if you're still in the room, do you know if there's any scalping rules with Take Profit Trader? Do you know what that rule would be that I'm thinking I never got an account with them because of some kind of scalping rule they have? I don't know. I mean, there was something weird. I don't remember what it was. Couldn't take more than 5 trades in an hour or 5. I don't know. There was some weird rule. I said, okay, this is not for me. Actually, when my son bought an account, he was deciding between Take Profit and TickTick. And it was that rule that I told him, no, go to TickTick. Take Profit has this rule. I guess I'm going to have to go spend some time reading. That sucks.
Yeah, I guess that was a good buy for that support.
Mm. Yeah, maybe.
I think the thing is that you're either a range trader or a directional trader. Hard to do both. Kind of train your brain to only look for certain setups.
Yeah. No, for me, it's, I mean, we see them. You know, you called it out. We see them.
Yeah.
It's just
Yeah, I see them all the time. It's like, hey, this isn't really my setup. And
that's it.
Going against my rules, and it just kind of feels uncomfortable.
Yeah, it's not part of our play. It's not part of our playbook. And then I trade it. I mismanage it because I'm kind of not sure where to put the stop.
Right.
You know, like, I don't know, if let's say I bought the previous day's close at 9:04, where do I put my stop? I don't have any logical, unless you do what Trades by Matt does. He just starts off with about 20 points, and then as it goes in his favor, he tightens it up. As far as I know, allegedly. Who are you talking about? Right now, I was just talking about Trades by Matt, you know.
Does he use a stop? He didn't use one forever.
I think he used to have an emergency stop. You know, I used to watch when Apex required you to have a stop. So
I think he was trying to mess with one when they was talking about requiring people to have a stop.
Yeah. So if I think
I don't know if he still does.
Yeah.
Before that, I don't think he ever used a stop.
Okay. Yeah. So I remember it being, again, my memory is not always on spot, but I remember it being 20 points, target 10 points, stop 20, and he would move it up to 10 points quickly if he had a chance. And most of the time he hit his 10 points, so it really wasn't an issue. I was doing really well when I logged in to watch him. There was a time when he took out that, I think it was an $80,000 payout, 20 accounts, $4,000 each one. I think he took out. I think.
I don't know. I ain't really been by his channel in a while.
Oh yeah, no. This was a long time ago. Could be a year and a half, 2 years ago. Yeah, definitely.
I used to watch him more back when he first started doing the futures.
Oh, I remember that too. That was a train wreck.
Said he came from crypto or something.
Okay.
It's like crypto by Matt or something, he said. I don't remember what it was.
I remember his thumbnails. Plus 800, plus 300, plus 1100, minus 11,000. Plus,
yeah.
Plus 400, plus 700, plus 1,000, minus 12,000.
Yeah. And he still basically trades the same way. He still does. I think last time I was on his stream, he's still doing the same setups. Whatever works for you, right?
Mm-hmm. Wow, it's been so long I haven't been in his channel. I don't even know if he still streams. I guess he does, eh? Let's go see. Let's go check in on Trades by Matt. I'll have to turn off my audio for a second, but
it's crazy. So many of the streamers that years ago I thought were such great traders that don't even stream anymore. And then some of the ones that I thought were just like horrible that have done so great with streaming.
Okay, he's live.
Mm-hmm.
He moved, I think. Yeah, I think they said, wow, he's got 1,000 people watching. Oh, wow.
He's got that about every day, doesn't he?
No kidding. I don't know. Like I said, I haven't been there in years. Long time. Wow, look at him. It looks he's all laid back, sitting on a couch, looks like. I mean, not sitting on a couch, but
Sitting on the couch.
no, but he's reclining, you know, he's allowing his chair to recline instead of sitting up straight. He's reclining. Hey, I'm gonna go tell him you said hi. You say hi.
He don't know who I am.
No, it doesn't matter. Omnius is talking about you on his stream. How's that? How's that to get him mad, huh? Get him mad and get you in hot water.
I don't even think he'd care. He don't pay attention to stuff like that.
I'm joking.
If you want to make him mad, call him Bud.
No, really?
Say, hey, Bud. Yeah. I've seen him a couple of times, like, flipping out over somebody saying, hey, Bud.
Jesus.
It's like, really? Out of everything? Like, that's where you draw the line?
Well, I guess
yeah, he might ban you if you say, hey, Bud.
I guess we know how he was bullied in high school. What they called him in high school.
Put it in all caps. Say, hey, Bud, just wanted to say hi.
Wow, coffee's good. My wife's putting me on a diet. It's official.
Yeah, mine too. It's beneficial for a couple of years now.
Yeah, no, we're actually going shopping for our stuff, and oh well, c'est la vie. I'm gonna be in bad moods for the next little while. Why is Mike not making any more jokes? It's because he's eating vegetables every day. Swing high 2 equals 22,244. I think we're going to get a blue line here. And if we're getting a blue line, I'm buying. Right under.
My wife says you can only cheat with these stretchy shorts for so long. Right?
Stretchy pants. I know, it's fantastic.
Yeah, like you don't want to go up a size, so you just buy like stretchy ones and they kind of stretch an extra size. Like, gotta kind of cheat the system.
There you go.
Like, no, I'm still wearing the same size I wore last year.
Forget it. I don't go for the just stretch and extra size. I get the super stretch. Mine go from 38 to 52.
Damn.
Depending on your needs.
Right?
Okay, well, if I want to catch Mike, I need this to go and break the U.S. session highs. Mike's going to force me to hold my trades for a long time.
You in? Buying a VWAP? I can't buy a VWAP.
I'm in, yeah, I know, but I got a trigger on my Renko chart. I don't know if you can see it, and that's what I was working on coding this weekend. It's a pretty strong system, actually.
If we get a pullback to VWAP, I'd love to jump in.
I'll let the other two go. Well, I got a 2 lot. How about I move my stop to break even and I let it go for the whole day. One day I'll hit one, right? Maybe it'll go 150 points. 4, that could be $600. I'm going to do that. This trade is locked in. Goodbye. Switch accounts.
You got your stop loss on? Yep.
Stop loss to break even. I know where it is. What happened? Oh, I changed.
Oh, you changed counts. Okay.
Yeah, I'm not going to look at it. If it goes, if I'm going to try and get 150, 200, 700, whatever the market gives me. I mean, I got to catch up to Mike. He's at 800, so I got $4 a point here. If I can get 100, 150 points, I'll take it.
Maybe that's his strategy to make you think he's at 800.
Yeah, but my stop's a break even, so it's not so bad.
That way you get desperate and blow your account.
No, there's no blowing the account. I'm going to trade it responsibly, but I will allow a piece to run, which I don't usually do. I got in with a 5 lot, and now I'm holding 2 lots. And hopefully VWAP can hold, and we can run and take out the US session highs, and then run from there and go up to, let's say, 23,100 by the end of the day. Not too much to ask for.
That Vala trades, he ain't got but 15 people watching.
Who?
Used to be Volatility Trader or something, I think.
Okay. Well, it's
Now he
not
changed it to Vala Trades.
Yeah.
He's got like 15,000 subscribers.
Wow. And he has only 15 people watching?
I think it says 20 now.
How does that happen?
I don't know.
Well, unless he got a bunch of subscribers the silly way, like paying for them. That's the only way I could think.
He was getting a lot of views like 6 months ago.
Yeah.
He hangs out a lot with Methodical Man.
Oh, okay. Well, that should work. I don't know. Who knows? Who knows? Sorry about that, guys. That was loud. Wasn't supposed to be that loud. So much for taking out US session highs, eh?
See, that's what happens to me every time I try to hold.
I know, always. Always, 100%.
How does it happen like always forever? Like I might be more into it if like at least once or twice it worked.
Yeah. That's what I was saying on the weekend. I always end up giving back those profits. And then I say also mathematically, if I give back a certain amount of profits like 10 times and then it finally works, I probably would have even been better off if I didn't give back those profits.
Mm-hmm.
And I just took them and I didn't get the grand slam. Oh, well.
All right, I shall return in a minute.
Oh, cool.
While I'm gone, I'll play my video again. I'll play it on your stream.
No, you're on my phone. I'm going to take a look at it. Yeah, I saw this one. Maybe not. Oh, it's cold in the basement again. You know what, guys? I'm going to take a quick break, too. Give me a half a second over here. I'll be back.
All right, did we lose Mike too? Yeah, it'd be better. All right, well, this price action sucks. Going back down, test the support again.
I'm back.
There he is.
Getting comfortable in my chair.
You got a recliner too?
No. Let me figure out how to get this back open.
Oh, that reminds me.
There we go. So, are you talking their ear off?
No, I was over here sleeping. I'm trying to figure out how to turn off this damn trading view thing. It was working good the other day.
Okay.
Now they made it more sensitive, and now every time I click the chart, it brings up the numbers. Nope. What's your chat say?
Nothing's going on.
Mike Stunts, how you guys doing?
He's
Falling
playing,
asleep with this sideways market.
Yeah, I just took a short. Hopefully we get some follow through. I got a little bit of a wick there on the previous candle on the 1 minute chart.
Could see a short here. We got a little bit before the support, so.
Have we ever won a trade when we were both in the same trade?
A lot of times you
Oh,
just
yeah?
get in you get in way before I do, and I get out way after you do.
I was getting nervous. Where's my stop on this one? Oh, I think it got stopped out already. Okay, I gotta get out. Got stopped out. Well, lost a little bit on that one, not too much. Let me see. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, I know it. Yeah, this could be a good short.
2 minute ORB performance. 24 days, 100% winners.
Wow.
Up 2,500 after commissions. Like I said, it works good for evals.
Yeah.
Then when you get those few bad days, you blow the eval, you load up another one.
Well, your stop, it's not a one-to-one stop. It's the other side of the opening range.
Yeah, the other side plus 0.5 ATR.
Okay.
Remember I was talking about it likes to hit that other side and then go back.
Yeah.
So just 0.5 plus the ATR greatly increases the win rate.
Yep. Gives you a little bit more leeway when it does what it just did here at 22,900 3 times in a row.
No, it's a terrible strategy if you're worried about blowing the account.
Okay. Yeah, I think it's probably similar to what that guy is marketing when he says he only had 5 losing days in a row in the year.
Yeah, no, I call bullshit on that. I told you before I set that up, and
Well, it depends on how far your stop is. You know, I knew people who created a system where they wouldn't stop out.
no, we could be short right here.
Yeah, I shorted. They wouldn't stop out till the end of the day, and if they got 5 or 10 points profit, they took it at any time. So, you know, it's not really a very logical way to trade, but I'm going to try some. I think we're going to head lower. So I'm going to try something in my Apex account also. And this is where you chime in, Mike. You're not supposed to trade based on what you think.
Mike, you're not supposed to trade on based on what you think. You just got to have data and statistics and AI confirmed.
You are right. You are 100% right.
But I think this is going to go lower also. I just wonder if it's going to jump up and take out my stop first.
No, let's go down another. There we go. I need one more bar to form. One more bar.
I guess if we're trading 5 minis, I got to up mine from 4 to 5.
I'm done, guys. Have a great day. Take care, James. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday. You sing him happy birthday?
I didn't sing. I'm not a good singer. He needs Marilyn Monroe for that.
There you go.
Shit. I wanted it to go down to 22,916.
Yeah, me too. No, 22,907.
Ah, no, I just want, he is going to sing in private. No, I wanted it to go to 916 just to start the move, to show, to confirm that we're going lower.
Unfortunately, the first trade of this account is not looking that very good.
Mm. I'm getting out. Shit, take profits, right?
Yeah, look at that. I got out too.
I'm giving
Fucker.
profits. Fucker. Boom, boom, boom. Boom.
Well, there you go. I got the first loss of the account out of the way.
Hmm. I got that out a long time ago. No singing, James. You're playing unfair.
They won't even sing you happy. You won't even sing the guy happy birthday.
No.
My kids love singing happy birthday. You want me to call them in here?
He doesn't pay me enough.
You get paid?
No,
Shit.
that's why he doesn't pay me enough.
I put out a bunch of money. I don't get nothing back.
Hmm.
Imagine if somebody would have said, this is going to go up, take out my stop, and then go back.
Let's go.
Got me almost to the tick, didn't it?
It got you? You stopped out?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's true. You said you got your first loss. I got back in. I got out without even a stop. I just got out, but then I got back in.
Yeah. Got me for 2 ticks.
I hope they're not going to play me too much at this level going sideways between 935 and 920, and I'm going to keep selling at 920 and covering at 935.
I mean, really, it kind of was my fault. Maybe I moved my stop a little bit too far. Should have had it back a point or two. Oh, well. Cry about it off stream.
There you go. Hey, when I'm on this crazy strict diet, what you got to do near lunchtime is get out a pepperoni pizza and start eating it on stream and saying, this is really good.
This is some really good pizza. Y'all got to try this.
Another wick. Come on, enough with the wicks. Can you actually just go down?
Yeah, it's an inside day. I think a lot of people are still out of the office because of the holiday.
Yeah.
My wife told me she was off today. I'm like, why the fuck are you off today?
Huh.
Like, it's a holiday. I'm like, another holiday? We just had 4th of July. Like, oh, it's still 4th of July.
That's the 7th of July. That's
Fuck, how
even
many days y'all get?
That's even bigger than the 4th of July.
Whatever. Everybody loves days off work, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So how'd your trade go?
Oh, lousy.
Wow,
Lousy,
that
lousy,
feeling.
lousy. Lousy, lousy. Another wick at the bottom over there. That bottom is holding pretty strong, eh?
That's what, 4 tries?
Yeah.
There you go. All you gotta do is buy to the moon.
All in at the same. Yeah. Where's Fish and Slots, Florida? He does that a lot. He
I
catches
haven't
levels.
seen him in a while. Was he there
Yeah.
Friday?
Man, I don't know. He showed up maybe once last week.
I haven't seen him in a while. Maybe he's on vacation.
Mario.
They do have a bunch of fishing tournaments and stuff. Just one of those days where you buy the bottom, sell the top, and make a lot of money.
Pretty much.
You know, if I bought it right now, the bottom would break out.
Yeah.
Maybe one day we'll have to do a day where we just fade each other.
No,
All right, you going long? Fine, I'm going short.
no, you get flagged for that.
How they gonna flag me fading you?
I don't know. They'll figure it out. Somebody will report it. It's not worth it.
You just don't want me to make money.
Oh, I'm the one that's going to lose, huh?
No, let's be honest, it'd probably be me. Well, look, one of us would lose money, one of us would win money. I mean,
Got it.
it's 50-50.
It is.
It's the same as doing the coin flip.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I was telling Woodchip. You know, we were talking also about the schemers and scammers that Apex was talking about. That everyone was screaming about because they talked about it. You know how many people probably try and do that and then take money out of it? It's like free money.
We're talking about just blowing up accounts.
No, you get one person going long in Topstep, one person full porting short in the Apex. You just got to do it with 4 accounts. That's it.
Oh yeah. Well, a lot of people do it themselves. They just long
Yeah.
one, short the other.
But if you do it with 4 accounts, you have four accounts to work with after that.
Well, there's that one streamer. He just goes long all the time, like blows all these accounts, and then like does another one and goes long again, blows account. Maybe that's what I need to do. Just go long all the time. You got a 50% chance.
Yeah.
People like that stuff.
Yeah, no, I don't think you have a 50% chance because the vibration gets you out if you're full porting.
No, I don't think he full ports. He's just like 1 or 2 minis.
Okay.
I bet he's long now. I'm gonna go over there. Watch. I bet he's long. Fuck's he at? Gotta watch the commercials first. Yep, he's long. Called it. He's long at. Oh, what the hell? Go full screen. Blind. Long at 22,935. Stop at 22,879. Take profit at 22,983.
Who is this?
Red day, green day.
Ah, okay. No, I finally got my short signal. I didn't take it at the right price, but I finally got my short signal at 921.
It'll go down. He'll buy another one. Go down. He'll buy another one. Blow the account. Switch to a new account. Start all over again.
That sounds exactly what FSP does, to be honest with you.
Yeah, the two of those remind me a lot of each other. Neither one of them shows their face. He's got about 300 people watching.
Okay.
FSP's probably got like 1,000 or so.
No, he's usually around 2,000.
Yeah, he's got 3.4 right now.
No kidding. Well,
Good numbers. Come on. Go take out the previous day's close. One more time. Spike it. Let's go.
Skeletor's up 317.
Oh, yeah? Wow.
I said this is not moving. I'm out back to work. TPT 317.
There we go. That was nice.
Yeah, I'm only down 92.
$92 is good. It's not bad. It's manageable. Another wick. We're going to head higher again.
Here's your spot. Full port long.
I went long.
Did you?
I did. The wick's not going to hold. Oh, no, it's a wick. You watch.
Click short button. Click short button.
Yeah, I think so.
Nah.
Okay. I got out. It's not my trade. I got out. You see, if you're not, you know what? That's the thing. You know, they say
You had it.
I know, but it's not my trade. I don't know how to stay on the horse. That's why they say you got to backtest and work on your own systems and your own trades, because you won't have confidence trading someone else's trades. I don't have confidence trading it.
Don't got the confidence. You don't got the know-how to where do you move the stop, where you put the take profit. I mean, right here, it's pretty self-explanatory, I guess. Jump in, stop below the bottom, take profit at the high. Could get a 2-to-1. Great trade. If I took it, bottom would fall out. And somebody would say the candle was the wrong color or some encroachment thing didn't happen. See, what I do is I come here to make the rest of y'all look like good traders.
I was waiting for that wick. Yeah.
30-second chart. Breaks that number, I might buy it. Watching this one guy's video, he said he used the 5-second chart for confirmation.
Yeah. Well, if it works for him.
See what a 5-second looks like.
Going to 882. Is there anything at 882 that I should know about? Oh, yeah, the previous day's low.
Okay.
Yeah.
5-second chart might not be for me.
There we go. Reached. Nice.
See, if I'd have bought, the bottom would have fell out. All right, back to the 30-second. I don't think the 5's for me.
No, 5 second is gonna fuck you up too much. Seriously.
People trade it, and they make a lot of money on it.
I don't know if I believe.
Yeah, you can make a lot of money on any system.
Yeah, I agree. But when
So-
you're on these shorter time frames, the slippage is going to kill you, and you're going to be I don't know what your system is. I would think you're going to be getting in and out way too often.
Well, if you're using a 5 second for entry, you're still going for the 20-point moves. If you're trying to scalp for like 3 points, then it's going to kill you.
Well, I'm guessing if you're trying to scalp 20, well, how many? Here's my question: how many tries do you give it? So you get stopped out on the 5 second chart. Do you try it again? Like just now when we came up to the previous day's close at 10:50. And you try it on the 5 second and it doesn't work. Do you try it again? Do you try it again? Now we just made another low. Do you try it again? Like, that's the thing I don't know. How many times is the person trying it? If he's just trying it one time, if he's just giving it one shot, if it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Then I think it can be a valid system.
The video I was watching from the guy, he said he trades the fractals. So he's just looking for reversal fractal to jump in. So I guess it would be a one shot. I watched a guy before, I think I was telling you, he traded like the 5 or 10 second. And at the time, he's one of the top people on a Topstep.
Okay. We just did initial balance retest.
But he quit streaming. He said it was too much work to stream and trade. He's like, fuck that.
It is hard. It is hard. There's a lot of stuff.
It is. You don't realize it until you're doing it.
Yeah.
The amount of work you got to put into it. No, YouTube's not very friendly.
Well, we've been trading pretty sideways since 2 in the morning on Friday. You look at the 30-minute chart between 23,000 and wow, 22,900. We've been in a 100-point range. I'm not sure if this is Friday yet. I'm guessing that's Friday. Yeah, 2 in the morning Friday. Yep, since 2 in the morning Friday.
Nasdaq Anonymous. I never heard of that guy. What's he use? Just a picture?
Why? What do you mean? Where do you see? Where do you see Nasdaq Anonymous? Who was that guy again you were talking about? Johnny Cool Trades or what? What was his name? The guy that you said has 14,000 or 40,000 subscribers, but only 20 people in his room. Red to green, isn't that what you called him, or green to red?
Sorry, I had the mic muted. I was checking out that guy, Nasdaq Anonymous or something.
Oh, I was asking, what was the name of that guy that you said that sometimes?
Red Day, Green Day.
Red Day, Green Day. Okay.
I like some of the stuff he says and talks about, but look, if I go back over there, I bet he's still long. I don't know if he said he only trades long or like 90% of the time he's long. I don't know. I got distracted watching other videos. It happens.
Mm-hmm. Twelve points of volatility on the 1 minute candles. Well, let's get a bit of an extension. No, not gonna do it every time. Just a tiny bit of extension. 3 points, 4 points, and then that's it. That's all I can eke out. Oh, okay. Hold on. 80s, 97. I'm in at 96.75. We'll let this one go. This one should go 8 points.
Are you short?
I'm short, yeah.
Yep, that guy's still long again.
It's a top step entry. So 90 should be hit. My take profit is at 88. That's
Oh yeah, I can see a short there.
There
Short.
we go.
All right. Good. Don't look at it. Just jump in.
There we go. Let me cancel that order. Unfortunately, I didn't get filled. Now 83 is a 50% probability. Let me move my take profit on that to 84. Every time these wicks, it's a crazy market. Go to hell, man.
Mm-hmm.
3 candles down, wick back up. 4 candles up, wick back down. Sorry. Okay, that's me. That's my call. I'll be back.
That's your call. We did get called in to work.
I heard that.
No, you didn't. You said you were gone. Yep, just chopping again. Stupid choppy days. Could see this break the bottom. It's got a support at 22,881. Could see it break that. Push down. Probably take out my trade first. There it goes. About to the tick again. 3 ticks that time. Yeah, what do we do? We push back up, go down. Anybody see any trades? What y'all looking for? My usual comment, chocolate salty balls. It's a good comment. Was eating some chocolate cake the other day. Should have made it in the balls, huh? The sideways market's killing me. Skilder, how's your trading been today? You good on these sideways markets? I don't know. I might take one more trade for the day, or I might just call it there. No, me neither. Could see a short here if it plays out. I don't know if I want to take another loss in a row. I mean, I don't really mind. It's just an eval account, but I think I already lost this trading competition. $450 or PA 450, take profit trader 317. Sweet. I take it that was a support trade off of support this morning. It looks like it wants to break this support here. Yeah, there was a lot of good support trades. I don't know. I have a hard time taking those. Would have been a good day to take them, though. Long it open,
Coming
1
back.
minute.
Just got to get set up.
Shh, there he is. Don't talk about him no more.
Shh, shh, shh.
Oh, 1 minute. Okay. I'm half blind. Well, you just say 1 minute. Okay.
Okay, I'm back. Hey, big news.
Hey.
There's big news, everybody.
You're pregnant. You're
No,
pregnant.
you hit 100.
Oh, I hit 100, yeah. If it stays, it's been floating back and forth all weekend.
Oh, yeah? What do you mean floating back and forth?
I'll gain a subscriber, lose a subscriber.
Yeah, someone's doing that to me also. Someone's playing games.
It's like, come on, just make up your mind. Yeah.
I don't know. I'm not sure.
Like I was at 99 the other day, then it went back down to like 97.
Okay.
I think it's YouTube. I think they just like fucking with your numbers.
Well,
Then it went back up. I'm like, well, it's there. It's not there. What just?
I definitely see that with the views. They change very aggressively.
Yeah.
One day it's 20. I mean, for me, one day it's 20. The next day it's 13. And it goes back.
Yeah.
And it goes back up. It's like,
They steal your views. They steal your hours. They steal your subscribers. They steal your likes. And then they tell you, it's okay. Just stick in there. Like, no, I was okay before you started stealing all my stuff. What can you do? It's their platform. They'll do what they want.
Now, the funny thing is, sometimes if like I check on my phone, I'll have 20. I'll have 27 views. I check on my on my desktop, I have 13. Like, you know, it makes no. There's no rhyme or reason to the logic there. It's not a hard and fast number, basically. 11-4.
They all do it. TikTok does the same thing.
I never noticed it on TikTok.
So does Facebook.
No kidding. I didn't even know Facebook gives you counts. Counts on what?
Videos. You can do videos on Facebook same way you do on TikTok and YouTube.
Wow, you'll have to show me.
I think I'm about to reset my Facebook. Finally starting to take off, and now I want to reset it. Stupid. I think I set up the account type wrong, and it won't let you change it. And that's so stupid.
Yep.
Like, just let me switch it from one account to the other, and stop making shit fucking difficult. But if I caught it, might as well switch it now instead of waiting.
What you mean is maybe you're just uploading videos to user groups, no? Like you'll create a video for YouTube and then you'll just copy it and send it to Facebook?
Right, yeah. I got 107 on Facebook.
Videos or followers?
I got set up for friends. That's the thing. I got to merge the friend account with the profile account. And I don't know. It's stupid. I'll figure it out one day.
Well,
but what sucks is I can't just have them switch the account type because they won't do it. So I'm going to have to delete the whole channel, start all over.
Yeah. That's good. I'm going to ride on your tailcoats. You'll show me how to do it while you're doing it and starting over.
Yeah, like I told you, you can make short videos and post them on Facebook and send it to a bunch of different groups and everything.
And they don't throw you out for spamming? Out of the group?
Well, I mean, don't spam the group.
I told you, I was doing it on TikTok once a week, and they threw me out.
I haven't had any issues. I've had other people share the videos.
Not TikTok, Twitter. Sorry.
No, I've had other people share the videos. I've had all kinds of stuff, man. Haven't had anybody get mad yet. So far, everybody that's been mad at me has been on YouTube. These YouTube people are angry. I was looking at my BULENOX the other day, and apparently some video that I made a long time ago got shared on some blog. And then people still been using my code from that video. I didn't even know about it. Some video about NVIDIA. I'm like, Why are people
yeah.
using the BULENOX code on an NVIDIA video? Apparently, I put the BULENOX code at the bottom of the video. I didn't even know.
You can't trade stocks?
Who?
The people are getting back to you. You can't trade stocks with BULENOX? You made me buy an account with your
Yeah,
code,
right?
and I can't trade NVIDIA?
That would suck, wouldn't it? You would hope people ain't that fucking stupid.
Patrick Whelan never did that.
Yeah, right? Well, apparently that's been my most profitable video.
Wow.
I think I make about $5 a month on it.
Well, now you got to scale. I'm making a video about NVIDIA tonight.
No, I need to find out I need to find out what the blog is and write the guy and be like, look, what kind of videos you posting, man? What do I need to make? I mean, if this guy put it on his blog 6 months ago and people are still using the code on it. So there you go, Mike. There's you got to put your code on every video. Never know.
Mm-hmm. Did we break?
Nothing. We're chopping back and forth.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm only down 27 points. I might take one more.
Short or long?
If I was going to take one here, it'd probably be short, but I don't know.
Yeah, I'm waiting for a short too now, actually. I scalped a little bit.
We're at the Globex Open, so it's just going to probably chop.
Oh, yeah, it's true, eh? No more gold for me. Wow, it's funny. I said NQ was relatively weaker compared to ES, but ES is really tanking.
Skeletor was saying that he's up on his PA 450 and take profit trader 317.
Shit, I'm in last place.
No, you're not. I'm in last place. Wait a second. Guess it depends on. Well, you've been trading 5 a lot, ain't you?
Yeah, every time. I'm going to be doing 5 lots all the time.
Yeah, I got to change mine to 5 lots.
Okay, so you got the BULENOX account. Is that it? Apex, BULENOX?
I got a BULENOX, yeah, fresh account.
You didn't tell me.
Just started trading it today.
Okay.
Well, I had one before. I thought y'all were talking about BULENOX. Then everybody started talking about the other one.
Yeah, no, okay,
like,
okay. So cool. So we're back up to 6. Way to go.
I mean, if y'all want to do just take profit trader, I don't care. You know, whatever y'all want to do. I'll trade my own on the side. How's that?
Nope.
You can have the official challenge between the take profit trader people and then the unofficial people on the side.
No.
Make everyone happy.
Like my wife says, grow a pair of pants. We're sticking with anybody is in with any side, with any firm. Mike Stunt said yes. I said yes. Emperor said yes. Butterstunt said yes, and you said yes. That's it.
That's what we was originally talking about, and I guess as I was getting off the stream, somebody said something about the take profit trader. I was like, I never agreed to that.
Yeah, what chip has been seriously outvoted?
But y'all did stay on stream for over an hour after I left, so I don't know what y'all. If anybody wants to know whatever I said, it's on the video. That's what they say. There's two sides to every story, but then there's the video.
Let's go lower, 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 lower. Sell, sell. No, it was ridiculous that you weren't in it. Totally ridiculous. That was a railroading job that they did. Anyways, it's good. It's all settled. Well, it's all fixed, and
like I said, he had a good point of what he was saying. That's why I was like, whatever. I'll just sit this one out. No hard feelings here.
No,
but I mean,
no. I spent more than you. Come on.
I didn't tell anybody to spend anything.
No, yeah, but he was saying I spent more than you. Well, I spent more than you. Who cares?
Look, I don't care. Freaking paper traded, eval, PAs, whatever. I mean,
yeah. No.
I'm not going to go spend $100 on a trading challenge when just got through spending $50 on this, $50 on that, $100 on that. It's like, fuck.
Yeah, no. It's all. I always wanted a TPT, so I got one now. Yeah, I got one also. I'm happy. Everyone got what they wanted, and it makes no difference which count it is. Doesn't matter what firm you're with.
I mean, you know how much I thought my chances of winning were? Like very, very, very fucking low.
Yeah. I think.
I mean, lately I've been trading 2 hours a day, if that. The market's been shit for my strategy. What do you think I'm going to win?
I have confidence in you, Omnius.
At least that's 3 people that got confidence in me. Great thing about the kids, they always got my back.
Yep. I gotta try and win, because if I don't, my wife's gonna say, I thought you said you were a decent trader. How come you lost? And what better time? I'm gonna pass this eval. I'm not saying I'm gonna win the challenge. Yeah, I'm passing the eval for sure. My goal isn't to win the competition. I'm gonna try.
The whole competition was to start out to be fun and exciting, bring entertainment. And that's the way it should continue to be, right?
Yep. And what's more entertaining than 6 grown men arguing?
Fun times.
At Ridgemount High.
I told my wife, I was like, I commented on this guy's stream and started an argument that lasted for like an hour and a half. She's like, what did you do?
Yeah, I just said one thing.
Shit, I didn't even know we was planning on starting the challenge so quick. Hey, we went from talking about it to everybody buying accounts in like freaking 15 minutes.
Yeah.
But that's good. It shows you the excitement.
Oh. I officially made a mistake and accidentally took a 6 slot as soon as I realized I got out of it. You can timestamp it at 11:28.
He's cheating.
And remove
He's cheating.
You can remove the $1.50 from my profits.
Oh. Well, if you take 6 and I take 4, it equals out, right?
There you go.
Shit, I might get in trouble for taking 4.
No, it's not half the 5. It's maximum 5.
We all agreed it was 5. We all agreed. We all agreed it was 5.
That's basically how it was on Saturday, eh? Wood chip says there's a big move coming at 11:30. I have an alarm. Let's hope it's to the upside. Let me move my target. Are we going to go back up
Big
to VWAP?
move. 11:30, full port.
Yeah, I just took out my take profits. We're going to go to VWAP.
Who said so?
Wood chip.
Wood chip.
Yeah.
Big move.
At 11:30.
All right. All right. Full port.
You said it a long time ago. I just set an alarm for it. But there's a bunch of wicks again on the 1 minute chart.
Just so everybody knows that full port in this case means 5 micros.
Yep. It does, I guess. If that's the maximum, then that's what full port does. I gave ChatGPT shit for saying 5 is a full port.
Yeah, I saw that. I was kind of surprised about that one myself.
Well, I said later, how can you say a 5 micro is a full port on a 50K account? I said, first off, doesn't the word full port have a meaning? Doesn't it mean maximum contracts, whatever the account allows? And if an Apex account allows 10 minis, 9 minis is not a full port. So what it said is, yes, you're right. That's what full port means. GPT thought it was talking about the risk plan that I worked on it with with GPT, you know, I set into stone, and it's a 3 lot. So if we agree to a 3 lot and it's set into memory, it said, well, then a 5 lot is full porting. So it misconstrued the question. What'd you say, David? Not using my clicker anymore. It's no good. Got to get back to it.
Have you seen that video I made, the Omnius traders?
Yeah, I didn't get it. I wrote a comment. I thought you made a mistake. I thought you added the R by accident all the time. I even checked the subtitles to see, is he really saying traders?
Yeah, because I wanted it to be more than one.
Okay.
Yeah, I go by many different names. Omnius Trades, Omnius Futures, Omnius Traders. I don't give a fuck. I thought it sounded better.
Omnius Trades.
But I made that in CapCut.
Okay.
I think that's the second one I've done in CapCut, but
yeah,
it actually does pretty good. I mean, for the types of videos that it makes.
Yeah. No, you get good effects. But for speed, I have to show you the thing I'm using. It's pretty incredible. I'm going to create a series of 6 videos, 3 to 4 minutes each, and it's going to take me, I mean, you're talking script and everything and custom images. It's probably going to take me a total of 5 hours. That's really good.
CapCut did all that in a few minutes. I was like, just make me a video about Omnius Traders, and it pretty much did everything.
Yeah.
Made all the images, did the script. Only had to change a couple things.
I'll have to give it a shot again. I really will. The only thing I couldn't do is I couldn't trim. If I trimmed, if I removed a piece in the middle of the video, it wasn't able to stitch the 2 pieces together properly. It was skipping. I didn't get it. I said, really? CapCut I can't trim a piece of video and stitch the 2 pieces after together without it jumping?
The audio or the video?
The video.
Because they have an audio match feature.
Yeah. Oh, that's important.
I think.
Yeah, that's important. How much time I lost in Canva trying to, I would add in a picture and my audio was completely off now. And I have to structure and move everything. You got to be kidding me.
Yeah, I thought it was actually pretty good. I think that's like, as far as the scripted videos, I think that's only the second one I made. And I found out how to change the words this time. Remember the other one I did was talking about that terrible trader guy named Mike smashing his computer?
Yeah.
But I couldn't change. I was like, How random was that? You gonna use the name Mike? I couldn't change the words, but this time I found out how to change. I don't know if they just added that or I just didn't know where to find it.
Yeah. But I didn't like my experience with Canva, and I think if I'm gonna, and I didn't really spend time learning it. I just did the beginning, you know, just trying to do my first quick video with a tutorial on YouTube. Like I said, the stitching wasn't working, so I said I downloaded DaVinci. I don't know if you know about DaVinci. I said, okay, it's got better reviews. It makes smaller file sizes, so I said I'll give it a try to DaVinci. But if CapCut can do a whole video like that, what you're talking about with the Omnius traders, that's impressive.
Oh yeah, whatever you see in the video. I mean, yeah, did all that. I just told it. What did I tell it? I was like, make me a video about Omnius traders fighting the bulls and the bears.
And
it wrote the script and everything.
Is this off CapCut off your phone or CapCut off your computer?
On the phone.
I think
Wait, did I go? I don't remember if I went to GPT for the script or just CapCut.
Yeah.
I can check GPT real quick because it keeps it. Oh no, I went there for another script that it was still running hours later. Looks like they finally got it. Well, there you go. I got a script for another video. I have to put that in there. So yeah, that was all CapCut. I still don't know how to do it. It's like I find it on accident and try something out. Next thing I know, I made a video on accident.
What really happened there was Omnia said to himself, I better say that something, otherwise Mike's going to ask me to show him how to do it. I did it by accident.
No,
I'm bugging you.
I told you how I did
it. By accident.
I just don't ever remember, but it's right there. AI Story Maker. Just go on the phone, go to AI Story Maker. Okay, there it goes. Yeah. Type in what you want.
How long was the video? Do you remember?
Shit, I don't.
Do you know I squeaked in a short a minute and 30, eh? And it's in my shorts?
Yeah, shorts can be up to 3 minutes now.
No way. Really?
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't know. GPT said a minute, and then I said a minute 30, and it said, oh, yeah, a minute 30 now is the max.
No, it's 3 minutes.
Okay.
But just keep in mind that the shorts policy with music's under 1 minute.
Meaning
so if you do it...
If there's any music in the video, it has to be under a minute.
As far as I know.
Yeah.
But you have, I don't know. I can't say any music because some music's made for videos that are 3 minutes.
Because I don't know. I have music in my video. The one with the girl at the beginning for the first few seconds. There's music in there. It's a minute.
Did you do it on CapCut or one of those programs?
No. It's all custom made by myself on OBS
there you go.
and OBS and that thing that I told you. It's custom made.
So you got a custom made song.
Yeah.
I'm hoping that I distorted this song enough that I don't get flagged again, but I probably will. Yeah, if you can't get flagged, you're not having fun, right?
Mm-hmm.
Even if they do flag it, I'll probably run it for a few days.
It's true. They send you the email, not the email. It says in your YouTube studio, copyright, you click on details, and this doesn't really affect your account. And kind of what do you want to do? Is one of the options just leave it? Or do you have to take action by a certain amount of time?
No, you can just leave it.
Well, then at that point, why even tell me? Why even bother me?
Well, I guess some people have different beliefs. Some people believe that as long as you have copyrights on your channel, then they'll throttle down your channel.
Mm.
But I mean, mine's throttled down quite a bit already, so.
Are you kidding me?
Like, you don't show it to anybody. How you going to throttle it down?
No. Come on. You post a short, you go up to 300. I post a short, I go up to 13.
Yeah, I wonder if they relabeled my channel as like a shorts channel. Had you seen that video, what was it, OFT? Put out with BULENOX or something, had like 8,000 views.
Yeah.
Like, damn, get it then.
Mm. Yeah, he has a good reach now. He put out also 2 computer videos. I think.
Yeah, I watched the one.
The first one?
I don't remember. He's building a computer?
Yeah, it was great. I loved it. I like computers, so yeah, I really enjoyed that video. So what chip didn't show up? Seriously. What a guy.
Isn't he waking up about now?
11, 8 in the morning, 8:40. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. My best guess is if you go into Pine Tree's stream, he's in there. That would be my
Well, he hangs out in there quite a bit, doesn't he?
Yeah, well, he hangs out in everybody's streams. But yeah, Pine Tree is one of his go-to streamers. Is Joker streaming anymore? He doesn't stream anymore, eh? Stop.
Didn't he say he was taking a break from streaming?
No, that's OFT. Joker just.
I thought Joker said that too.
Well, he kind of just stopped, without really. It wasn't a premeditated stop. It just happened. OFT is premeditated. Oh, I still got trades by Matt on the screen. That's wasting coal trades. Doogie Howser, that's a cool name. What?
Damn, Alpine Trader ain't got but 200 right now.
I don't know who that is. That's one guy I never followed.
Alpine Trader? He's the one that got Apex all mad.
Oh, yeah. OFT.
They never named him personally, but he was doing opening trade with no stops, basically kept saying the account's the stop. What are you talking about?
Yeah. Well, you can't do that.
He's like, you run it until the account blows.
Mm.
And then they put out that whole thing saying, no, you can't use your account as a stop loss.
Makes sense.
But I mean, he had a good comeback for that. He's like, I've had this account for 7, 8, 9 months or whatever, so you can't tell me I'm just blowing accounts.
No, I can't. But as a risk manager, I can tell you that's not a risk plan because eventually it's going to happen, just like martingale. You can have a martingale strategy that can last for God knows how long, but the death trade is going to come. The death trade is always around the corner.
Mm-hmm.
So that's not a valid strategy. And if you're trading for my firm, I don't want you using it. And if you want to use it, no problem. Go somewhere else.
See, I didn't agree with the whole Martindale thing that they were talking about. They went a bit too far at first. I think they kind of relaxed on it after a while. But the whole you can't add to a trade.
No, that was ridiculous.
I mean, that was just fucking stupid.
Not even one ad.
And then to come out and tell people that if you add to a trade, you're not a real trader.
I know that was.
Get the fuck out of here.
That was one of their sad moments. I defend Apex, but that was one of their sad moments.
I mean, how are you going to say that if you add to a trade, you're not a real trader?
Yeah. How are you going to say that with a straight face?
I mean, most traders out there add in a range. Why would you not add in a range if that's your strategy?
Yeah. What they came up with now is perfect. Don't risk more than 30% of your account equity in one trade. Clear, simple, and that's very high. Even that's very high. Skeletor, the OFTPC video, you were wondering if you're watching a tech channel or a trading channel. Yeah, that was impressive that he could put together a video like that, and he filmed it really well. It was a super, super well-made video. No, he's good.
Where did you see Skeletor's comment?
Oh, I also have. I'm a streamer. I don't know. I forgot to tell you. Sorry. Yeah, I also have a channel. It's called Futures Floor. Maybe you want to check it out once.
I don't see it on there.
Right on the bottom, the last comment.
Yeah, it's not on mine.
That's weird.
Isn't it? Last one I see is most traders react, I predict.
No. No.
So refresh it.
Ah, yeah, you're on pause, probably.
No. It don't pause the chat. It was a glitch.
Yeah?
Yeah, they don't pause the chat. It just didn't show up.
Weird. Skeletor, you're glitching. You're in an alternate universe.
Nah, it ain't him. It's probably mine.
Omnius, you're glitching. You're in an alternate universe.
Well, you know Omnius is a race of AI, right?
I have no idea. I gotta look up is that really what it is?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Why are you laughing? It's like your brain said, I just told him bullshit and he believed me.
Look at this fool. He'll believe anything.
I'm still going to confirm it, okay? I don't believe it yet. I'll get back to you on it tomorrow. I confirm everything. Fuck. When my kids were younger, a salesman would tell me something and I would tell him, okay, I'm just gonna check it out. I'm gonna confirm it for myself. my kids would say, Dad, why you don't believe him? Why would he lie to you? You know, or he wouldn't lie. Are you kidding me? It's a salesman. Of course he would lie. That's all he does. His only job is to get me to buy what he's selling.
Get me to buy shit that I don't want.
Yeah. I promise you the moon.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I told you I was using Chat GPT to look at cars, and they kept coming up with shit, and I'm like, all right, let's ask Chat GPT.
To look at colors?
Cars.
Oh, cars. Yeah. Okay, I remember, yeah. And I told you to
the
tell
sales guys kept getting mad.
Yeah,
you can't go by what that tells you.
What did you say they use? Red Book or something?
Blue Book.
Blue Book.
Like, no, that's old shit. We don't use that no more.
Yeah.
Like, welcome to the modern age. This is what we use.
We use Blue Book. Why? You don't have computers?
They try to break down all your numbers, like what everything cost in the car. And I took a picture of it and gave it to GPT, and GPT's like, nah, man, come on. I mean, I got to give it the GPT on that one because it broke down all the numbers and everything. It's like, look, tell them to drop 1,000 here, 1,000 there. Like, damn.
Yeah, the power at your fingertips now is incredible.
And if you're going for anything like a car or a house or anything, I mean, you need that in your hand.
Yep.
Just the way it was so fast too, like 30 seconds. It's got all this shit broke down. I'm like, look, dude, here's the breakdown right here. Like, fuck. Tired of these GPT people.
What a fucking bastard.
It's going to get to the point they're going to see somebody break out their phone and take a picture. They're going to be like, fuck it. Just go away.
I quit.
I told my wife she messed up, that she should have did it a different way. I saw a video yesterday where a guy walks into a car dealership, pulls out a gun. He's like, "You give me a good deal." I'm like, see, that's how you get a good deal on a car right there.
Yeah. You just don't.
I mean, not that you're going to be able to use the car.
That's it. You don't get to drive it. You give it to your wife.
Guy's like, "You're taking me to jail? Why are you taking me to jail?" He put a fucking gun on a car salesman.
It wasn't loaded.
Yeah, that's what he said. It wasn't loaded. Then there was like, well, we're just going to let him go. And then they found out that he's a felon and got a bunch of charges and stuff. It's like, fine, we'll arrest him. I'm like, wait a second. You was really going to let the guy go after he just tried to strong arm a car salesman?
If I were to take a trade here, would you recommend long or short?
I'd flip a coin on it.
Even though it's entertainment only, what would you say?
Really need to keep me a coin so I can flip it.
I'm kind of leaning towards short, but we're above the initial balance low. We're above all those lows we sweeped. We're above previous day's close.
Here we go. I got a tiger. Can we flip a tiger?
Flip a tiger. There you go.
Let's try it. Heads long. Not heads short. Fuck. Landed on a rock. It's up sideways.
It landed standing on a rock? What are you, streaming from your garden?
I got a fireplace next to me.
Oh, okay. A rock. Fuck. It fell in the river.
Fuck, I streamed from my garden. What about it? What? Say something then. All right. Try again. Take two.
Are you using take two?
Tails. All right, short.
Okay.
Full port.
That's what I was thinking. No full port. Let me go.
You got a full port because you got to use 5. You got to use 5. You can't use no less or no more.
No, I'm in my Apex account.
Oh, okay.
Just a 3 lot with a tight stop. This is one of those tight stop type of trades.
All right, be right back. Tell my son, hey, you want to go take over the stream for a minute? He's like, heck no. I'm like, dude, you got me into all this shit.
What are you drinking that container, that red juice or whatever? Is that like electrolytes or something, or is it just flavored water?
It is Zip Fizz.
Oh yeah, you told me. But is it like I don't know what Zip Fizz is. Is that just like a sugar drink, or does it actually have good stuff in there?
Got a whole lot of vitamins.
Oh yeah.
So basically like vitamin water.
Okay. So is it a powder that you mix, or it's already pre-mixed?
Yeah. Nah. How do you mix? You just fill a cup up with water, pour it in there. It's supposed to be like an energy drink,
Yeah.
but instead of like using a bunch of caffeine and other shit, it uses vitamins.
You have any idea offhand what the amount of potassium is in there? Just out of curiosity.
I mean, I could find out real quick if you want me to.
No big deal. I was just wondering if you like kind of knew offhand if it
I'll
was
look
high
real
in
quick.
potassium.
I got one right over there. Give me a sec.
Oh.
I drank another one too. It's called Kick Something. I was trying to look at that one, see if it had potassium.
Okay.
I didn't see none in that one. What's this one got? Need a damn magnifying glass to look at it.
Don't you love when the label is black and they use dark red labels, dark red letters? Yeah, no, I can't see that.
Potassium.
Is it
I don't know why they make everything so fucking small.
Small, yeah. Well, there's no room on that thing.
Yeah, this is the list of vitamins from there.
Wow.
It's got like freaking, if I was guessing, what's that, 20, 30? At least 20, 25 or 30 vitamins. Is that potassium? I'm assuming that's potassium at 3%. 60 milligrams, maybe.
Okay. Yeah, so it's not a potassium load or anything. My wife is looking for something that takes 1,000 in a serving.
She wants 1,000 per serving?
Yeah, she assumes we're gonna need that for the carnivore keto diet we're gonna do.
Eat bananas.
Hey, I was thinking, yeah. Well, no, I can't have sugar. Here's a crazy thought. I'm just wondering.
2%.
I'll run it by you. I'm curious to know what you think. Do you think it would be extra motivating for me if I were to put my weight in the top corner of one of the charts and track it day by day? Do you think that would provide extra motivation? I'm thinking maybe.
I doubt it. Probably just get annoying.
Yeah, you think you don't think so? I'm on the fence, but I'm leaning towards yes.
Do you think it'll work?
Like I said, I'm on the fence, but I'm leaning towards yes. I think if I see it there and it's on stream, it may give me the extra motivation at night when I always break my diets all the time to actually stick to it and not go eat a Cheese Whiz toast or something.
Go get that weight loss stuff everybody else uses.
Yeah, my Fitness Pal.
No, some medicine. What's it?
Ozempic.
Yeah.
Yeah. I heard I heard it allegedly causes blindness.
What?
That's what I heard.
Hey, you lose weight but you're blind?
No, allegedly.
Oh, God.
Allegedly.
Allegedly. Apparently, the insurance only covers it for some people, and
Yeah.
people say it's like $1,000 a month.
Whoa! Shit.
Somebody told me somebody was taking it. They're paying like $650 a month out of pocket.
Okay.
That's with a discount.
Well, then you really need to lose weight at that point. I mean, like that's a medical emergency, in my opinion. Well, I just can't catch any continuation. Every time I go in, I catch the reversal.
Could you imagine just hearing like, "Hey, great news! We found you a discount. It's only going to be $650 a month."
That's the good
Shit, Doc. That's a good discount right there.
That's the good news. But there's bad news. What's the bad news? You're gonna need a seeing eye dog.
You're gonna need a CNI dog, and it's probably gonna take you 6 to 12 months. So, hope your bank account's looking nice.
32.25 at 25. I'll add.
Then some people take that stuff and they just don't look good. Like,
really?
You can't lose weight too fast.
Okay.
Person's not supposed to lose 20 pounds in a month.
Did you hear Mike? He said he did the keto carnivore. He lost 50 in the first month.
Really?
Isn't that crazy?
Well, I have a feeling that if you're losing weight because of a diet like the carnivore diet, it's going to be a lot different than if you're losing weight because you're taking
Ozempic, yeah,
pills. Yeah. Like, I don't think your face is going to be all sunk in and shit from a carnivore diet.
Yeah. I'm going to try and lose 50 pounds for about 50 pounds a month for about 6 months, and we'll see how it goes.
50 pounds a month for 6 months. My goodness. You're gonna be looking like a crackhead.
I'll be at minus. I'll be dead. I'll be minus 30.
There's only one diet I know of that can achieve that. Comes with a pipe and a little rock.
It is a good way to lose weight.
It's a great way to lose weight. And your house, and your car, and all your friends.
I didn't think about that. So this is another there's good news and bad news situation.
Because it's great news and terrible news. And then a lot of those people that take that stuff, they gain all the weight back in a few months.
Yeah.
Could you imagine spending $600 to $1,000 a month? Finally get to the weight you like, you're so happy, and then 3 months later you're heavier than you were before?
Yeah, I know. Weight loss is a hard thing to do and keep off.
Once again, I would have to believe that if you're doing something like a carnivore diet or something, that you're just not going to have that side effect. Because that's more of a natural way to lose weight. My assumption, I don't know much about the carnivore diet, but my assumption of it is that you're just trying to eat clean, natural food for a while.
And mostly meats.
Right.
That's why they call it carnivore.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it's cut out sugar. Most of the carnivore keto, it's all cutting out sugar and going to the proteins and the fats. Carnivore is mostly the proteins.
Mm-hmm. I don't see why you couldn't eat vegetables, but
yeah, me neither.
People go on vegetable diets. People go on carnivore diets. Why can't you just do both at the same time?
Maybe there's sugar in them.
Although I did get in trouble on a vegetable diet before.
What does that mean?
It means you just eat vegetables.
No, the trouble. How'd you get in trouble?
Turns out you can't just eat vegetables. Didn't know that, did you?
No. Now he's laughing again. Another thing I gotta check.
Nah, I was getting the feeling like somebody punched me in the chest. And I was like, am I having a freaking heart attack? Am I dying?
Wow.
And finally I go to the doctor. I'm like, talking to the doctor, and he said, well, what's changed? I'm like, I don't know. I've been died just eating vegetables. Like, no, you can't just eat vegetables. What's wrong with you? I'm like, doc, are you seriously telling me I can't eat vegetables? No, well, you can eat vegetables. You just can't eat just vegetables.
Yeah, so I guess you need protein.
I'm like, fuck, doc, seriously? Shit, I was doing great.
Okay, what do you say we call it a day?
All right, good night.
That's how it should be. Really. Cutting out, it's too long all the time.
That's
Right?
that's 12 o'clock, isn't it?
Yeah, it's good enough. I gotta go Costco shopping. I guess I'm gonna post my account. See, post it up. And oh yeah, it's true. You gotta post your results in the Discord channel.
Go talk to my wife. She's off today.
You heard?
Post results in the Discord.
Yeah, post your daily results in the Discord.
Do we got to do like screenshots or something? What do we got?
I
Where's
guess
I saw
whatever's good.
streamers?
Whatever's good for you. It's in the
See a CK. I can't see it.
it's in the streamers versus subs trading challenge.
Cash on hand. Oh, he's up $894.
Yeah, that's what he said.
Sweet.
Hmm.
So,
Okay, I gotta get to know you better because like it's 3 times today that you said something and I don't know if you're serious or you're just pulling my leg.
shit, half the time I don't even know.
What the fuck is that?
How the fuck am I supposed to take a screenshot?
Print screen with your keyboard.
Print screen.
Then you just crop the piece out with just that account and the number and away you go.
What the fuck? Where'd it go?
Okay, I see how. Okay, yeah. I think that's a good way to do it. The way Mike did it, showing that the starting balance was 50.
Wait, what?
Yeah, Mike, he showed the starting balance 50, but you know what? Doesn't matter that he ended at 58.94. Like tomorrow, he could show us that his starting balance is 53.94 because he can still trade off stream. You don't have to. We don't have hours of trading. You can trade in the afternoon.
Oh, the trade log.
Yeah.
How do you get to that?
But whatever he posted was good. I like it, but I don't know. I'll see what I can get. Okay, you figure it out on your own time. I want to get going. I'm tired, and
Do you know how to get the trade log like that? I think I had that before. Maybe this one. All right. Whatever. I'll figure it out.
Yeah. Post whatever you post. Who cares? It's the honor system. It's all good. Okay. Take care.
You shut down the stream. Working on it.
Not this again. Tried to size down Trump again. Daddy's home, don't press send. Clicking in while, no anchor, bro. This gotta end. Every morning, same chart, same zone. Market moving fast, I ain't feeling at home. Break of the high, trapped in disguise. Thought I was the king, turns out surprise. But not in fake, house lurking. Price got me sweating, palms straight hurting. Like, come on, man, where's the edge? I knew. Just need my setup clean, let it come through. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, but not for pain. The boss is back, no room for shame. Futures floor taking over the game. Was down bad last week, too much size, no plan, just vibes, yeah, that's how you die. Now I'm calm, free lot, clean as snow. Clicking that anchor, let that discipline flow. But now them dopamine traps got me chasing green with no recap. Like chill, bro, let that setup bake. Waiting for the moment, let the market break. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, we trade with aim. putting clowns to shame. Fake breakouts, pump fakes, wicks that lie. Even caught that lunar move, thought I'd fly. But it don't matter what dreams I rent. If I skip the plan, account gets bent. But nah, them weak trades wild. And no like and no click, just straight freestyling. Like come on fam, that's not the vibe. Run the alive, click, stamp, click, click. Watch me grow, futures flow, got that inner flow. Daddy's home in full control, let the rest FOMO, we on a roll. He in my OF like it's satisfact, and now I'm missing the D. Was lost last week, caught in the heat. Now I'm posted up, clean trade game elite. Tame the urge, let the setup speak. The boss is back, and I ain't missing a beat.